how to edit your document in your MS Word. Let's get started. At first you will open a blank document, then go font, bookbind old style, and font size 12, and
Hey there.
you will start your
Subscribe to my channel
typing.
and
To
also press this bell icon.
the manager, Union Bank of India, Kolkata branch, Kolkata 1. You will have to this spaces, single space, paragraph, go paragraph, then opt 0 point 10 point. You have to write down here 0.0, then OK, single space, spacing, dear sir, oblique madam, subject prayer for deliver a check book in favor of me. Prayer, Prayer.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
I of Kolkata write you as follows. I am a holder. I am a account holder of your bank, being account number 1 2 3 4 5 6, my checkbook has been
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.
inked. As I am writing you this letter. Later, then you will write down your consent. Thanking you. Yours sincerely, Kartik Das. You will write down at the top your name from Kartik Das, 5 নম্বর SN Banerjee Road, 4th floor, NS Building, Kolkata 1. And then you will have to page setup, to do page setup. Page, go to A4 size, margin 1.21, 1.1, 1. Okay. This is a A4 size matter. 1 page. 1 page. Okay. 1 page. You will have to do justified. Select and Control J. You will have to do here date. Where you write your date? Here. Here. Or here. Okay. Thank you.